Yeah, Keith, terrible sleeping weather. I mean, woke up this morning thinking there were going to be hundreds of thousands of people without power because you look here at the board I have with all these outages. Now, obviously, the 84, the 95, that's off in the islands, but still 60s and 70s, no slouch. That should give us hundreds of thousands of people without power. You look at the radar here, you can see the low-level jet that came through this morning. It's a little bit of a squall line. What that does is it takes all of that wind and it pushes it down to the ground level. You see that going through Portland this morning, and then it moved up the mid-coast and down east. So with that low-level jet ripping through, why didn't we have the power? Well, the power didn't go out for a lot of us because the Grinch storm took down those trees, a lot of them that were weakened weeks ago. We haven't reset that. We haven't even had much of a time to recover. We also had snowpack melting and cold air damming. So there's a stable, basically layer in the atmosphere in between the coast and the mountains. So what that did is that kept things stable, and that played a big role. So here's the actual wind speed you need to move things. Only 3 miles an hour for a leaf. How about 28 for a trash can? You saw a few of those go flying. People, 67, and a car, 90. Now, obviously, we didn't get the 90s along the coastline. It was out towards the islands, but we certainly didn't get the hundreds of thousands without power. And hopefully that's not going to happen as we get into Zach and Chris this weekend, as Keith will be looking a lot closer at the next storm to come our way. No rest for the weary here.
That's for sure, Jason. Thanks so much.